I'd now like to show you another module called the font editor. It opens up in a new window, so I'll just maximize this and I'm going to select a font, let's say Arial, and then click create. This will give me all of the characters for this particular font. If I just select here under the Assistant tab, here I have all of my tools that I can use to either create a new font or to edit this particular font. So what I'm going to do is select the B, just double click on that and it will open up a new sheet which has the B on there. And I'm going to go on to my Assistant. If I select it, I can do some node editing on it. So I can just move that round there. Let's say for instance this is the way that I wanted my B to look, and I'll just move that round there. Just make this particular one look a bit strange. So there we have quite a weird B, but that is the way that I'd like this particular font to be. So I can just select done and it will take me back to the character sheet. So there we have a B that I've just modified. Here the A, I'm just going to delete this just so you can see how to create your new font. So I'm just going to create a polyline. I don't want to draw smooth polylines, this is going to be quite rigid, and I'm just going to draw a font here. I'll come over here and have that like so. And that's my letter A. So I'll click Font Creator, click Done. I'll just zoom in here on the A and the B. Then you can see it's kept my changes. So what I'm going to do now is to go to File and say Font. And then I'm just going to change this to Test and then save that there. Now I'll close my font editor. And I've now reopened it in order to update all of the fonts that are actually seen by Artcam. So I'll create a new model now and I'm going to create some text. So if I just select here and I'm going to select, you see here I have my test font, and if I click A and then click B, you can see if I zoom in, they're my two letters that I have created. So you can effectively create a whole new font using this.